In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you on a strategy of how you can use Pinterest and Clickbank in order to earn money online. So you're going to be promoting other people's products and services, and you are going to be earning money. Doesn't matter where you guys are from. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about different ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can use two pages, which is Pinterest and how you can use Clickbank in order to earn money. By the way, guys, at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you another way in which you can earn even more money online. So you're going to have two ways in this video. Now, let me show you everything. Okay, first of all, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. Actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they are using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Something really important, guys, is that I'm going to be using Clickbank because this is a platform that I'm currently working with. But if for some reason you cannot join with Clickbank, no worries. You can go with other platforms such as JVSU, Warrior Plus, DUStore24. Okay, I'm going to be using Clickbank because this is the one that I like the most, but this is actually, a personal preference, and Clickbank is actually the oldest one. So you need to go and you need to create your account. You're going to click here where it says start here, or here where it says start here, and you're going to be creating an account. In order to do that, you need to provide your first name, your last name, a valid email address, and fill out the information that they're going to be asking you. Okay. Sometimes they're offering you courses and all the stuff. You can get them, but this is actually not mandatory. Once you have your Clickbank account, you are going to go to a place where it's called the marketplace. Here on the marketplace, you're going to see that they do have several categories. You need to click here where it says all. Okay, we have too many arrows, so we're going to click here where it says all, and you're going to see all the categories they do have listed. So you can see we have internet, education, health and fitness. Okay, even we can browse by different languages. So if you have another language, or audience with other language other than English, you can go, for example, here with French, Italian, Portuguese, German, and all this stuff. Okay, so we're going to be using Pinterest. If you are not sure, like, okay, what kind of product and I'm going to be promoting, okay, you can go here and click on the magnifier. So you are going to search. Now we are going to be sorting this by result, and we're going to change this, and we're going to go with gravity. Okay, here in gravity, we're going to go to high to low. So that means that people are, getting results with the products. One thing that I usually take into consideration, and this is a reason why these products are selling a lot, is because they do have what it's called an affiliate page. Here you're gonna have resources. Okay, here you're gonna have resources. Here it's the average amount that you get per conversion. It doesn't mean that the product have, you know, that sometimes they do have what we call a funnel. Okay, here, let's see if this one have it. Okay, here we have a video creation, the 10 services. Okay, I will need to enroll. I'm not gonna be uh, doing that. Here we have the pages and all the stuff. I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna click here with the product page. I'm gonna see like what's this product is all about. So this is a physical product. Okay, they do have several bottles, and maybe this is the reason why people are actually earning. Okay, so here I can have a review. um do you need to go with a physical product? No, not really. They do have also um digital products. Okay, so you can go with a physical or with the digital product. For example, we have here the well manifestation. Okay, let me see this like real fast. Okay, here's actually a video, okay, about the well manifestation. This is actually a good topic to talk about. Here, if I go again to the affiliate page, I'm gonna have more information about this. I'm gonna need to know more about like the product. Here, they're telling me that they're offering 70%, 75% commission for each sale. Okay, right now each sales can be up to 136. Okay, because they have a front and 3 upsells. What does that mean? That people can buy one product. This is the one that they're going to see on the sales page. If they purchase it, you're going to be earning a commission, and they're going to keep offering other products. In this case, it's 3 of them, and you're going to be earning more commission. Okay, here we have the product outline. Okay, so this is actually really good. Now that you find the product that you would like to go with, okay, you will need to click here where it says promote on the blue button. So you are gonna have your link. Now we need to go, okay? We need to go and we need to create a Pinterest account. Chances are that you're going to be wondering like, Diana, why Pinterest? There are other social networks. I know that there are people out there creating content for Instagram. There are people out there creating content from YouTube. There are people out there creating content on TikTok. The truth, guys, is that people who are actively seeking for images, products, inspiration on Pinterest, it's because they are almost ready to make a sale, okay, to make the purchase. They're almost ready to make the purchase. There's studies out there that says that more than 50% of those who are making a search on Pinterest end up buying the products that they get. Okay, so that's the reason why we actually go with Pinterest. Okay, that's the reason why we actually go with Pinterest. Hey, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know where you guys are from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually available in your area. Okay, so leave it in the comment. Let me know where you guys are from. And now let me go back to the video. So with that said, you can see that here I have my page. And one cool thing that I like about Pinterest, besides the fact that people are actually active looking for information, is the fact that you can get a little amount of followers, but you can get a lot of monthly views. Okay, and these are people who are actually interested. This is my Pinterest account. Okay, you can see here, this is my Pinterest account. I have a brief description. I am constantly uploading videos and images and all the stuff. But the most important thing is that I have my link here. okay? And if they also click, okay, on a video or on an image, they can get access to the thing that I'm actually promoting. Okay, so you can actually do the same. Here we have another example. She is also a person who is actively looking for this. You're gonna see less than 16,000 followers, over 200,000 monthly views, which is actually insane, incredible. Here we have the affiliate link. Okay, here I have, I'm going to show you another example just in case that you're like, well, but I don't want to show my face. Okay, I don't want to go and show my face. You're going to see here this account, they are not showing the face. Okay, they are not showing the face. This is totally faceless videos. And again, not even 1,000 followers, 349 followers, almost 50,000 views. He or she is actually making a mistake because they do have the description here that says like learn drop shipping, but they also have the price and everything, but the link, they missed the link. So this guy is missing a huge, a huge opportunity. Okay. So with that says, I have another account that I would like to show you, and this is a really popular niche here on Pinterest. It's woodworking. Okay, woodworking. You see 4 millions, and if you go here on Clickbank, this is something that I has mentioned in the past because this product performed like really, really well. Here I'm gonna go to home on Gardener and Gardner. So this product, that woodworking, this product is one of the best to go ahead and promote it here on Pinterest. Okay, you can have as many Pinterest pages as you want. Okay, there is no excuse like, hey, I can have one or the other. Now, where you can find content, of course, you can go and you can create your own content. For example, you can go on canva.com, you can create videos your own, or also you can go to social networks such as Pinterest. And here, for example, I have side hustle. So I have people who are talking about side hustle. And for example, this video, for some reason, it's incredible. It's super popular. Okay, 3.6 million views in just 3 days. Okay, this one, 3,971. So these are videos that I can replicate and I can have the opportunity to go viral. Or this is another option, which I don't like the most, but you can go and use a tool such as Snaptic. Okay, don't download the app. Just go to the website, snaptic.app. You can copy and paste the link and you can download the video without the watermark. Okay, you can download the video without the watermark and you can upload it to Pinterest. Of course, give credit to the actual creator who did this. Okay, so this is actually a great way, guys, in which you can earn money. Okay, you're gonna see that you have different price range or commission range here on Clickbank. For example, here we have 191, 56, 32, 64. Here we have others 147, 135, and so on. So this is something that you will need to be doing um, pretty consistently if you really want to grow this. But this is something that is actually doable, and this is something that you can do part-time. If you guys want something else, okay, if you guys want something else and you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online so you can make money while you travel, so you can make money while you sleep, I'm going to be leaving a link below. So that's going to be the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. Okay, so go and click there and you're going to have two ways in this video on how you can actually earn money from home. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.